Okay guys, we're going to walk down the front. Can have a look at Kai Beach. Is it good there, Marcus? Kai Beach. Yeah. Got ceremonies in there. A good few about this weekend. I think it's half-term week this week in the UK. So I think that's why everybody's over here. Let me know if you know, guys. Tend to lose track when you're out here. Okay, the phone's gone, won't pop up again, so I'll go a bit closer. So they've got no music on. There, got a little bit of music on. Just talk over that. We've got a few in. It's not packed. It's not packed by any means. If packed, they'll be all over the road everywhere. We've seen that before, haven't we, guys? Yeah, so carry on, we'll walk down a bit. Jungle's got a few outside. Jungle's got a few in. I'll probably get copyright on a bit of this, just put some other music on there if I do. Yeah, a fair few in this week. The weekend anyway. Did have the Soul Fest thing as well. Marcus was telling me that was only Jokers that did that. I thought it was all the bars that did it. Got a bit caught up this weekend, so we didn't get out and film much. That's the way it goes sometimes. Not easy, guys. Gonna try and get back on it next week. See where we go. Loads of people about. One day in the market today, I didn't even get on the market, there's that many people. Well, they're getting back looking like they're going to take some money now. Yeah, hundreds of people there. There's a cyclist about as well. In that bar, this is free. There's sun on there. So it's got a little bit of wind today, you'll probably hear that on the camera anyway. Nothing too bad. Done a few short videos. It takes a bit of getting back into doing a full length video now. We'll get there though, for sure. Mark's going to do a video further down, up there. I was told there was a lot more bars opening up than up. Yeah, I'm going to have to check some of these things out. So after the live stream tonight, we'll probably have to do a bit more. Okay guys, I'm going to end the video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like the videos. If you want to watch more from Benidorm, watch the ones coming up on the card. We'll see you on the next one guys. Bye.